Hello amazing students, and today we're going to do a lab. We're going to do the helicopter lab. You're not here, you're out there, and so you have to follow my instructions, but I think you might actually have some fun doing this. First of all, on Google Classroom, I've put the instructions on how to do the lab. There is a rubric to follow. It's pretty easy. It does say put a full heading with circled CID. That'll be unnecessary because you're turning this in through Google Classroom. So the goal is to build this nifty little helicopter. You can sort of see the instructions there, and you have this paper on Google Classroom to download, and then you fly it. Then, after you've flown it for a bit, you're going to build a second helicopter and try to make it fly better. You want to measure from a standard height and drop it each time and time it using your phone stopwatch or have somebody count. And then you're going to write a lab report. Now, on the back is how to do the lab report. It doesn't have to look exactly like this. You don't need the little boxes and everything. This is just showing you the items that need to be on the lab report and how it should be written. This is what you're going to be turning in. And you can write it on notebook paper, take a picture of it and turn it in, or you can be fancy and use Google Sheets and Google Docs and put the graph on like we've learned how to do here. Okay, so that's the goal, is to write a nice lab report, make sure you have all those things. But the fun part is making the helicopter, and we're going to do that now. I'm starting out with this outrageous piece of red paper because maybe it'll show up better on the camera. And out of this, you can make, up to maybe 4 helicopters. But for the sake of making it big and easy to see, I'm going to just fold it in half and turn it into 2 helicopters. So this is where I'm taking the scissors and cutting it in half, and I'll probably speed it up on the video so you're not sitting there bored out of your mind. Of course, you can press fast forward too. You won't hear any of this because I'll cut out the audio. Okay, so now I have this, and then the next step looking at is cutting down the middle about halfway. So on the instructions, where there's a solid black line, you're going to cut. Where there's dotted lines, you're going to fold. So then the next thing is to cut, let's see, we've got to cut a little bit here and cut a little bit here. And let's see, we've got to fold that in like that. Yeah, I could have cut further. You can adjust it. You make the first one according to the lines. This is going to be kind of like the second one where you've made your own design. And then you fold this bottom. I like to fold it a couple of times because you want some weight to pull your helicopter down. And then you're going to take one wing and fold it one way, and then fold one wing and fold it the other way, and ta-da, you have a helicopter. And if it works, it'll fly. Did you see it? It worked pretty good. I'll do it again for you, and maybe I'll put it in slow motion so it, well, hang on. It's gonna get dangerous here. Don't try this without adult supervision. Okay, helicopter's up here. Okay, so there you have it, the instructions for the helicopter lab. If you got any questions, send me an email. I would love to get some emails because I'm here in this classroom alone, going crazy. I miss you all. Happy science.